In this video, while you are having a conversation, how to make people to open up while you are having a conversation. So I'll share with you a two strategy how you can make other people to open up. The first strategy is reducing your filter. What does it mean? Reducing a filter means like you are the guy who should not care about what the society thinks. To reduce my filter, I usually share with people like I used to take a walk at the night time, having a shots, and after having my dinner, I used to take a shots because I don't care about what other people will think. Because my one thing, like I need to maintain my body. That's my one thing. So if you are the person, like if you're not caring about what the society thinks, like people, the chances of people sharing with you will increases because most of the people think that if if you are showing that inferior thing to other people, like what the society will think about me, what other people will think about me, that is the thing like people are afraid about. So if you are projecting yourself like by reducing your filter, like not caring about what others think, so you have your own values, like you are the high value man. If you are projecting like that, like chances of people speaking to you is going higher. So the first strategy is reducing your filter. The second strategy you can ask is asking the right questions. What does it mean? Like imagine your friend is speaking to you, like he just told like my marriage is not good, man. If he is telling that his marriage is not good, like you can have the opportunity of using this assumed questions so that you can able to people to open up, which means like you can ask that guy like whether you have any conflict with your wife or you have any conflict with your parents. If you ask this assumed question, you have two choices. One can be right and another can be false. Okay, if it is right, like he will just open up. If it is false, like he'll tell no dude, like there's nothing like that. The two strategies there. The first strategy is reducing your filter, like not caring about what the society thinks and what the society norms about, and you can represent yourself as a high value person, so that like people can trust you and they can able to share with you. And the second strategy is asking the right assumed questions. If you're able to get and ask the right questions, like you'll be in the right path, so that people can able to open up with. If you like this video, you can like, share and comment, and in the comment you can ping me like what is the learning you just got in this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video, and you can subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification to get all the updates about my future videos. And you can follow me at Instagram at Dr.vinoth KC, so that you can get all the updates about my future projects and future videos. Thank you.